Okay, the next question is question number 10 from exercise 7.2. Okay, find the area of rhombus if its vertices are a bracket 3 comma 0, b bracket 4 comma 5, c bracket minus 1 comma 4, and d bracket minus 2 comma minus 1, taken in order. Taken in order means what? It should be in one order, like this is a b c d, or it should have been a b c d in one order. Okay, so the most important thing here, it's given in the textbook that area of rhombus is half into half multiplied by product of diagonals. Okay, so basically this question is about using distance formula. Okay, and then using the formula half into product of the diagonals, means diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2. Okay, so ABCD is the rhombus with the points are ABCD. We have to write it. So we have to find now the diagonals. Okay, the length of the diagonals. So AC we need to find using distance formula. BD we need to find using distance formula, and then we have to use the formula half multiplied by product of diagonals. Okay. Now, so this is the hint that I have given here. This find AC and BD using distance formula, and then use the above formula, this one. Okay. So AC, so A is this, C is this, so x1, y1, x2, y2. Now AC is, use distance formula, you get AC as root 32, which is 4 root 2 units. So AC you get as 4 root 2 units. It is just the using the distance formula, which we have already used multiple times in past. Okay. Now next diagonal is what? Next diagonal is BD. Okay, so B is this 4 comma 5 and D is minus 2 comma minus 1. See, B is 4 comma 5 and D is minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so use distance formula here, x2 minus x1 the whole square, this is the distance formula, plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, y2 is minus 1, y1 is 5, so minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 the whole square. Similarly, x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 the whole square. We have done it multiple times, okay, in past. So you get root 72. This is very important, that you have to find the factors. Okay, the way we have found factors here. Okay, and then you have to substitute, and then you get here 6 root 2 units. So area of rhombus is what? So one diagonal is 6 root 2 units. The other one diagonal is 4 root 2 units. Other diagonal is 6 root 2 units. So area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. Product of diagonals means what? Half multiplied by one diagonal is 4 root 2, other diagonal is 6 root 2. Product means multiplication of 4 root 2 and 6 root 2. So how to do it? In 9th standard you had learned, right? 4 into 6 is 24. Root 2 into root 2 is root 4, but root 4 is 2. Okay, 4 into 6 is 24. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So half into 48. 24 2s are 48. So you get 24. So area of rhombus is equal to 24 square units. Very important, since it is area, and in coordinate geometry you are not given whether it is centimeter, meter and anything like that. So you have to write it as units. So 24, but area is in square units like cm square, meter square, etc. Okay, but since centimeter, meter units are not given, we write it as square units, sq dot units. If you don't write this statement, you will lose half mark. Okay, so ensure to write this statement. Area of rhombus is 24 square units. A very easy application of distance formula. Only thing what was important was knowing the area of rhombus as half into product of diagonals, and then using distance formula twice. Once to find AC, the second time to find BD. Okay, and then using this formula.